Hello students, in the previous video I had explained you question number 3. Now let's come to question number 4. ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB are equal. That means what you are provided with that the altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB is equal. यानी कि आप ये कह सकते हैं that the two altitudes BE is equal to CF. You have to show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. So now considering what you will do to prove this, you will take in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. What you are given? Angle ABE is equal to angle ACF. Why? Because each of them is of 90 degree. Each is of 90 degree. Second thing you are provided with is angle A equal to angle A, which is common angle. And the third thing you are provided with is BE equal to CF. It is given in the question. So you will write given. So two angles and one side. The only thing you have to check is whether the side is between these two angles or adjacent to them. So angle ABE is here. Angle A is here, but the side taken is BE. यानी कि जो आपकी साइड है वो इन दो एंगल्स के बीच में नहीं है. So the two triangles will be congruent by angle side, and when they are congruent, so AB equal to AC by CP CT. Let's come to next question. Question number 5th. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle. When it is given isosceles triangle, यानी कि ABC में AB equal to AC है और DBC में DB equal to DC है. You have to show that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Okay. सबसे पहले आप देखो, आपको शो क्या करना है? एंगल ABD इज इक्वल टू एंगल ACD. अब आप इसे दो तरीके से शो कर सकते हो, या तो कॉन्ग्रुएंसी यूज़ करके, या फिर कि आपने जो एक थ्योरम होती है दैट द एंगल्स ऑपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड्स आर इक्वल. जैसे कि अगर AB और AC इक्वल है तो इसके ऑपोजिट में जो एंगल है एंगल ACB विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल ABC. एंड सिमिलरली इन ट्राइंगल DBC, इफ DB इज इक्वल टू DC, then angle DBC is equal to angle DCB. When you will add these two angles, LHS to RHS, when you will add them, then these two angles, angle ABD will be equal to angle ACD. And the second way of doing this question is that you will join AD. So first of all you will write join AD. Now there will be two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Now in these two triangles AB equal to AC, it is given to you. BD equal to CD, that is also given to you, and AD is common to both the triangles. So the two triangles will be congruent by side congruency. You will read about this once you complete this exercise. You will get topic 7.5, that is some more criteria for congruence of triangles. In that topic you will study about this congruency, side congruency. So it will be congruent by side, and hence angle ABD is equal to angle ACD by CP CT.